Hello, BPC members. I am creating a new training for you guys for those who are utilizing the BPC system. This training is going to be on how to create invoices, how to create reoccurring templates or invoices for your clients or customers. And so I hope that you enjoy this training. So we're going to go here and you're going to go to your account, of course. Let's go. The first thing you're going to do is go to where it says payments. And so if you haven't done so already, you need to make sure before you send out invoices that you go to integrations and you connect either a Stripe or PayPal, or they have these other options right here. So you need to make sure that you have your payment system connected, or you will not be able to send out any invoices. You're also not able to sell any products or services on your capture pages as well. So it's very important that you go ahead and get that complete. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to go to where it says invoices. We're going to click all invoices just for the beginning stages. You're going to hit up here and hit add new. You're going to go new invoice. So this is setting up a one-time payment invoice. So right here, if you want to go ahead and add your logo, you're going to hit select a file and you can upload a logo right here. The next thing you're going to do is the person you're billing this to. So you're going to add a client. If the person is already in your contacts, that makes it easier. If not, they'll have to be added as a contact. So for training purposes, I'm just going to click on a random person. So once you have added the person you want to bill, the next thing you need to do is you need to add a product. So anything that you are invoicing someone for, a product needs to be created first, and then you're going to go ahead and add an item. So let me go back. Leave. I'm using a tester account, so probably should have set that up. Let's go. So anyways, nobody's perfect. I'm just trying to show you guys. So we did have a test product here. Not sure why that was. Okay, so let's just create a product really quick. I'm gonna say new book. Whatever your product is, you're gonna give it the name. You're gonna put the description in. This is optional whether or not you can show this. And then whether it's a service, a digital, or a physical good, you're gonna go ahead and click that. If you want to upload an image of your product, you can do that. Then you're gonna do pricing name. I typically will just put the same name that you use up here, or you might add on to it and say shipping and handling included on top of that. And then you're gonna decide whether this is gonna be a one-time or a recurring payment. We're just gonna put $25. That's the typical price for book and shipping. New book here. We're gonna hit create. All right, we're gonna go back to where it says invoices. I'm gonna go back to add new invoice. Add your client. We're gonna go the product we just added, save. So as you can see now the total was on there. You want to go ahead and add your notes here, terms and conditions, maybe thanking them for the purchase, or letting them know that you don't offer refunds. Whatever you want to put here, this is just an extra notes and terms that they can see when they receive the invoice. As you can see here, whatever your address and information you have in your business profile, that's going to show up here on the invoice. So you want to make sure again that you don't have any personal address in the system for your business profile. And then you're going to go ahead and hit save. And then you're going to hit send. And then it will automatically send to the person's email and or text message them their invoice. So that is how you go ahead and create a new invoice. And so I'm going to go over how you create a reoccurring invoice. Let's say that, for example, there's a lot of people right now that are doing book collaboration projects with the team. So if you having people that are going to be paying you every single month for your collaboration, or if you're offering some type of program where you've broken it up into payment plans, you're going to go ahead and go click at the top and click reoccurring templates. You're going to go and hit new reoccurring template. And so how often you want to put daily, weekly, you're going to put monthly, most likely. You're going to put specific date, whether it's the first, second, third. If you want a specific date, like say you want it to be the 15th of every month, you're going to click that. You're going to put this as 1. The start date, this is the first time you want the invoice to go out. If you want it to go out, let's say tomorrow, the 7th, and let's say that they're going to be paying payments. They have 6 payments. So we're going to click after, and then it's going to end after 6 occurrences. And then send invoice days in advance. This is how many days in advance. So if you want it 1 day in advance, or if you just want it to send exactly on the 15th, then you're just going to put 0. It's going to send on exactly on the 15th. If you want it 1 day in advance, you're going to hit 1, and that's going to send it out on the 14th instead. Again, this is the same thing. Select the file. You can add your logo. You have your business address information. You're going to add who you're going to be billing this to every month. So we're going to put the person there. You're going to add your item. So you would need to create a new product if this is different than the book, obviously. So you would, yeah, I don't think anyone charges every month for a book. But so you would add that particular product in, like I showed before. You would add that in, and you will edit the message down here as well. You might let them know, hey, please note, you're going to be charged every month on the 15th. And then you're going to go ahead and hit save. Then you're going to hit schedule. So when you schedule it, depending on, as you can see, you can click whether you want it to be email and text, just email or just text. You can have the person's card automatically charged. Just depends on how you run your business. Some people might not like being automatically charged. It depends on what you guys agreed on. If not, you can just turn that off, and they'll get sent the invoice, and then they have to manually go and pay it. So it's all about what you do, and then you're going to hit the schedule, and then you can do that. The same process for as many people as you need. And so that is how you're going to set up reoccurring invoices and regular invoices within the system. I hope that this training was helpful. And if you guys have any questions, of course, you guys can always join me for the onboarding sessions every Wednesday at 7 p.m. Eastern. Okay, have a good day.